point, sir.
Can anyone summarize the recap the previous class topic? Please stand up. And in our previous class, we are discussing about the different types of geometric transformation. What is meant by geometric transformation? What is meant by geometric transformation? Which means we can either enlarge or reduce the size of the particular object. That is called transformation of the solution. There are majorly two types of transformations are available. 2D and 3D transformations are available. 2D transformation means we can transform the particular product in our only two axes. We can consider only the x and y axis. We can consider the 3 axis means like x, y and z axis means that is called 3D transformation. Okay, we can separately discuss about the different types of transformations like scaling, translation, rotation and reflection. These 4 are the major transformations are used in our CAD subject, computer aided design. Okay, what is meant by scaling? Please now, can anyone please explain what is meant by scaling? Scaling. Simply, what is meant by scaling? Scaling means only we can reduce or increase the size of the dimensions, not for an size or shape of the object. Only we can reduce the size of the object means that is called scaling. We can't able to change the shape of the object. Okay, we can add the particular geometry like scaling factor, which indicates the scaling factor. We can add the scaling factor to the both the coordinate points. We are having the triangular elements means how many coordinate points are there? For example, we can take a triangular element. How much coordinate points are there? 3 coordinate points. So if we are doing the scaling operation means we can add the scaling factor, multiply the scaling factor for these 3 coordinates. That is called scaling of each power. Okay, then second one, what is meant by translation? What is meant by translation? Same, we can previous case we can multiply the scaling factor. Here we are adding the common factors in x and y axis. For example, we are having the first coordinate points is 1, 3 means we can add the x-axis value of 4 and y-axis value of 3. Automatically, we can change the coordinate points 1, 3 into 4, 5. We can translate the object from one coordinate to another coordinates. That is called translation. Okay. Then next one, rotation, which means we can rotate the object with considering the axis line. We can fix the origin point. Based on the origin point, we can rotate the object with 0 to 360 degree. That is called rotation. Okay. Based on their requirements, we can fix the angle up to 0 to 360 degree. Either we can select the half revolution means we can select give the angle of 90 degree. Sorry, half quarter. Half means we can give the angle of 180 degree. Full revolution means we can give the angle of 360 degree. That is called rotation. After that, we can discuss the reflection. Reflection means the same like as mirror. If the boat moving the sea means automatically the reflection will be reflected in the sea water. This is the best example for an reflection. These 4 are the main transformations. Already we have discussed in our previous sessions. Today we are going to discuss about the topic on geometric modeling. First of all, what is meant by modeling? In our previous class, we are discussing the flanged coupling. We are making the flanged coupling by using the solid edge. Now we are making the model. We can create the part modeling by using design, different types of tools. We can use either protrusion or extrude option, or otherwise we can do the removal operations by using the extrude cut. By using this kind of operations, we have to make the solid part modeling. Okay, there are major 3 types of modelings are there. Please note it down. That is by geometrical modeling. First, you can go down